Hey, so you may think this is a deserted street at the edges of the city, but this is actually in the middle of the city of Yazd, and we're gonna count the people that are in this video. And I counted them, and it was 8 of them only. This is 10 p.m., not very late. The weather was not that cold. I don't know, and I just don't know what was the reason that there was nobody in the street. There are drawings making the city very beautiful, which no one is in it. So I counted almost 3 in the store in the beginning of the video, and we'll be counting the rest of them as they come. And just look at the shops there. An estimate of, I don't know, 5 shops were open. What are they doing? I really don't know. And here is approaching number 4. Yazd. You're gonna have to wait for the other numbers, so buckle up. Yeah, the next one is in this store, this fruit shop. Here's Mr. Number 5 messing with the TV. Oh, he turned it off, so this means he's going to close the store. Good to know. And number 6 is kind of a little far away. And there it is, getting in his car. His or her, I don't know. Okay. This was a empty land, so I think we can get it this one. But I'm on the rest. Nobody. There's another open store. And here's this old guy, Mr. Number 4. A 7, sorry. And you're gonna love number 8. Wait for it. Wait for it. There he is. Goodbye, Mr. Number 8.